This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I did not glue down anything. It is nice and secure. Look at this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvmehair company. Thank you so much, Luvmehair company, for sponsoring today's video. Bafazi, I'm here to warn you, please do not cut your hair. Don't cut your hair because Luvmehair has got us covered. Okay, look at this. This is a glueless Pixie water wave curly wig. All right, it looks fantastic. Look at that. It frames my face. Look, I'm nice and snatched. All right. So you have to get yourself this wig. You don't have to cut your hair. So do check the description down below, and there's a link and discount code. Get yourself this wig. So without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. I am obsessed. I am loving this wig so much. Wow. Pawn, look at this. I love it. Wow.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips you touch.
So this is the box from Luvmehair company. It is very, very nicely wrapped with a bow. Okay, and let me show you guys all the goodies inside. Luvmehair was kind enough to send me all of these nice goodies. So this is a water wave pixie wig, all right, and it is so soft. Look at that. It is nice and soft. It is a C-part. They bleached the C-part. It comes pre everything. They bleached the knot. They cut the lace, and they also styled it. Look at that. They hot combed it nicely over here. It is nice and stretchy. Okay, so I'm going to look so good, I just know. So this wig has two combs on the side and one right here at the back. It has two adjustable belts as well, and of course this extra band from Luvmehair company. Yeah, the C part is HD lace, no? It's HD lace. Wow, guys, this is how the wig looks straight out of the box. All right, nothing was done to this wig. It is nice and secure. It is not going anywhere. It is not going anywhere. Okay, I love this wig. Okay, and this is how it looks at the back as well. So I am so excited. This is something totally new to me, and you know what, which means I don't have to cut my hair. All right, so I'm going to open up the curls, and let's see how it's going to look. All right, so I'm going to use this wide tooth comb.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
So I'm going to use a little bit of serum. The curls are nice and soft, hey? Very, very soft. You know what, guys, there's no way I am going to cut my hair. We are not cutting our hair in 2026. All right, we are going to get a pixie wig from Luvmehair company. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I did not glue down anything. It is nice and secure. Look at this. Yeah, this is beautiful. I'm obsessed. I'm happy.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous pixie wig from Luvmehair company. Until next time, you guys, don't cut your hair. Get yourself a Luvmehair pixie wig. Bye bye.